In every infrastructure project, there is one problem that always shows up: secrets. Passwords, API tokens, endpoints, and credentials all need to be available, but they should never be exposed in the code. For this project, I wanted a simple and secure solution for my home lab. So I connected my self-hosted Bitwarden instance with Terraform and Proxmox. The secrets are stored in Bitwarden, and a bash script is used to load them into environment variables before Terraform runs. This way, Terraform can use the required values only when needed, without hard-coding sensitive information or committing secrets to Git. In this video, I'll walk you through the idea, the setup, and how everything works together to create virtual machines securely and automatically. A Terraform setup can fail because of one small detail: the names of your Bitwarden custom fields. So before we run Terraform, the first thing we need to check is our Bitwarden credentials for the Terraform user. Inside the Bitwarden item, pay attention to these two custom fields. When we create them, we need to give them the exact same names that our bash script expects when fetching the secrets. This part is very important. If the custom field names in Bitwarden do not match the names used inside the script will not be able to fetch the values correctly, and Terraform will not receive the variables it needs. So take a moment here and make sure the names are written exactly the same. After the Bitwarden credentials are ready, we need to install the prerequisites for our project. For this setup, we need two tools, the Bitwarden CLI and JQ. We can install both of them using Homebrew. Once the installation is finished, we confirm that the Bitwarden CLI is working by checking the installed version. If the version command returns correctly, then we are ready to continue. Now we can start configuring the Bitwarden server. For this step, we need the HTTPS address of the Bitwarden server and the email address that we configured for our Terraform vault. At first, it looked like the configuration was not working on my machine. But after I restarted my Tmux session, everything worked correctly. By the way, in this setup, I am using Alacrity together with Tmux as my terminal environment. After the server is configured, we can log into Bitwarden using our email and password. Once we are logged in, the Bitwarden CLI can access the vault and our script will be able to fetch the secrets. For an easier start, you can use my GitHub repository, where everything is already prepared in one place. The GitHub repository is linked in the description, so you can clone it and follow along without having to build the structure from scratch. Next, we load the secrets into environment variables using the source command. This command runs the script in the current shell session, so the variables become available for Terraform. Before running any Terraform commands, do not forget to initialize Terraform first. So we run Terraform init. This downloads the required providers and prepares the working directory. After that, we can run Terraform plan. The plan command shows us what Terraform is going to create, change, or delete before we actually apply anything. This is a good moment to review the output and make sure everything looks correct. If the plan looks good, then we can apply it using Terraform apply. Terraform will ask for confirmation, and after we approve it, the resources will be created. At the end, when we are finished testing, do not forget to clean everything up. For that, we use the Terraform destroy command. This removes the resources that Terraform created, so we do not leave anything running unnecessarily. And that is the full flow. Create the Bitwarden custom fields with the correct names, install the Bitwarden CLI and JQ, configure the server, log in, load the secrets, initialize Terraform, run the plan, apply the configuration, and clean everything up with destroy. In the next video, I will show you a better approach where we use a module for fetching secrets instead of using a self-made bash script. Subscribe to the channel and like the video if this tutorial helped you.